A very good morning to all the students of class ninth. Today we are going to study English from the book Moments, chapter 2, The Adventures of Toto. See, the meaning of the chapter, The Adventures of Toto, means the adventure is an unusual and exciting or any daring experience, and that is of Toto, a baby monkey. See what they have said here. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? They are asking you that have you had a baby monkey as a pet? And the Toto is a baby monkey. The name of the baby monkey is Toto. And let's find out that he is a mischievous or docile. Let us see how he was. And this writer of this chapter is Ruskin Bond. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. See, grandfather he brought this Toto, a baby monkey, from home from the Tonga driver, and the amount was of 5 rupees he purchased him. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. See, he used to keep the Tonga driver, he used to keep this monkey in a feeding trough, means a long, narrow open was there to hold water and food for animals. There he used to keep him. And the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. See, when he was looking at that monkey, the grandfather thought that I would keep this little fellow to his private zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey, and Toto was very pretty monkey. The description of the monkey is given here. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. See, he has a very bright eyes, and that was sparkling like mischievous was there in these eyes. We all know that monkeys are mischievous. With the deep set eyebrows were there, and his teeth. See, his teeth were like a pearly white, were very often displayed. He used to smile very often, and that would frighten the life of what it seems that elderly Anglo Indians ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been picked in the sun for many years. See, his hands were dried as they found it was in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. See, his fingers were very quick and evil also, and his tail, while adding to his good luck looks. See, his tail was adding to his good look. About see, grandfather what he believed that the tail would add to anyone's good looks. According to grandfather, that the tail was adding to any animal's good look. Also served as a third hand. He was his hand. He could use it to hang from a branches. The other hand he was using to hold the branches, and it was capable. He was also capable of scooping up, means to pick up quickly anything. And delicacy means fineness was there of texture that might be out of reach of his hands. Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. See, grandmother always used to fuss with grandfather whenever he used to bring any new bird or animal to the house. So it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. And see, grandfather did not want to show Toto at present only when he brought it, and he wanted to keep the secret from grandmother because she didn't like it. And the grandfather was searching for a good mood. When my grandmother would be in a good mood at that time, he would tell him about Toto. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closest opening into my bedroom wall. See, where they kept the Toto in a closest opening of his bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, and he was tied over there. Or so we thought. To peg means to keep it fastened into the wall, or they can keep it over there, peg him over there into the wall. A few hours later, after a few hours, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, when they both came to release this Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. See what they have tied the Toto over there, and after some time, when they few hours, they both came and they saw that to release that Toto over from there. So what they found, the walls which was covered with some ornamental paper was there. In that was chosen by grandfather. Now what it has become completely a naked brick. He has squeezed it out. Brick and plaster was being seen. The peg in the wall has been wrenched from its sockets. See, everything was being wrenched from his sockets, and my school blazer, and the blazer was a school blazer which had been hanging there. The blazer was hanging over there, was in shreds, in a strips of material like such as paper or a cloth. It was shred only. See, I wondered that grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. See, by seeing all these things, what Toto has done, he was scared that grandmother is going to say today. And but the grandfather didn't worry about anything. What the monkey did, baby monkey, he seemed pleased with the Toto performance. He is clever, said grandfather. What did the grandfather said? Yes, he is clever. Give time. I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. See what he said. Let me given time. In this given time, he is sure. I'm sure that he would have tied the torn pieces. He have tied all the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope on a rope and made to escape from this window. His presence in the house still a secret, and and it was secret in the house. Grandmother was not knowing about the Toto. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. See where they kept the Toto in the servants' quarter, and what was there in the servants' quarter? All the pets were kept together. And which pet were there? A tortoise was there, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrels were there, and for a while my pet goat was also there. All these animals were there in the pet in the cage, but the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companion to sleep at night. See how is this monkey was, he would not allow any of the companion, the other animal, to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day, and the grandfather has to leave to the Dehradun the next day, and to collect, why he has to go to Dehradun? To collect his pension in Saharspur, decided to take him along. See what he has decided, he has to go and to take the pension from the Saharangpur, and he decided, let me take this monkey along with me. Further we'll read in the next chapter, next part. Thank you.